Yo, what's good everybody? Yo, it's Cajun Reaper here. So, I got a package in the mail the other day from Amazon, and I can't wait to show you guys what it is. So, look, I'm going to be using my Gerber insert knife, and yeah. Alright. Oops. Alright. Pull this up. We got a box within a box. Let me go ahead and close this real quick. No. Alright. So, go ahead and get the Gerber knife again. Nice packaging, got a lot of bubble wrap in here. Alright. And here we are. It is a handheld air raid siren. Alright. Let's see. Just a license like that. Let's see. It's fucking loud. I like that. I can't wait to see it later today, go outside and really crank it up, but that is fucking awesome. Most of you guys know, if you've been a fan of my channel for a long ass time, I love air raid sirens and warning sirens in general. So when I saw this on Amazon, I had to have it. So yeah. But I do like the fact that it actually folds up nice and neat. So anyways, I'll see you guys later. Peace.